Damn, Danielle! Back at it again with another video.
Huh? Packing the mail, it's gone. Shit like I smell cologne. Yeah, I just signed a deal, I'm on. Yeah.
Hi guys, Danielle here and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, as you can tell by the title, we're going to talk about the best edge control for 4C hair. So I have 4C hair. If you can tell by my hair, you probably really can't because I have in braids. My hair is like kinky curly. I'm 100% natural. I did do the big chop a couple years ago. I do have that video on my channel. It's really old, so you know, excuse me about the quality and whatever, but I did do the big chop a while ago, probably like 2016 I think was the year, and I absolutely loved it. But then I did let my hair grow back, and right now I can say that my hair is not the length that it's supposed to be because I have not been taking care of it. I do the wigs and braids and all this other stuff, but just because you wear the protective style does not mean you're not supposed to also take care of your hair, and that is what I have not been taking care of my hair. So my hair stops about like right here, and I trimmed it so it's you know, it's supposed to be longer than that, but it's not. But whatever, you know, whatever, it's no big deal. So that is not what today's video is about. Today's video is about the best edge control for your hair. Now I have like a lot of edge control here. You guys can see by the thumbnail that I have a lot of edge control, and I couldn't even get all the edge control that I have in that picture because the way I was trying to hold it and whatever, I just couldn't get all of it in the picture. So let's just start by my least favorite edge control, because I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 different types of edge control here, and it's, for me, it was trial and error trying to figure out which one works best for me, because what works best for me probably don't work best for you, and what works best for you definitely don't work best for me. I have used some edge control that people recommend and it has been trash. So you can tell right now that my edges are done, and I use, well, we're not gonna start by that because that's my favorite. So we're gonna start by my least favorite. So my least favorite would be this Let's Jam Coconut and Avocado Oil Moisture and Shine Gel. And this is what it looks like. So open it up. It's like really like the jam almost. It's really shaky. It's like almost like slime, if you would. This was $4.99 for this container, and I don't know, if I was doing like a leave out, like a wash and go, I would probably use this because this would probably be much for that, but for it to hold on my head, no. And then it says it has like a mega hole. A mega hole for who? For what? Not for me. Like, this would be my least favorite. It don't do anything. It don't really hold. Like, it has like a nice shine to it, but it's too slimy for my liking. So my next would be, let's do this Cantu Natural Hair Extreme Holds Edge Style Gel. So this is what it looks like, and most of this probably is gone because I had this for a while, and I don't even know if edge control expires because I have had this for like, I want to say 2 years. So probably back then it probably was good for, but for edges, for like a hold, nah, it's not holding anything. Like, it won't even hold, it can't even hold water. Like this, no, this doesn't hold anything, especially for 4C hair. Now maybe if you have like a fine texture hair, white hair almost, I don't know, maybe it worked for you, but this doesn't work for me at all. And again, this is what it looks like. It's just almost like it looks like it can have like a thick hold, but it ain't holding this hair. Next would be Pro Style Gel Super Hold. Now I grew up using this right here. My mom used this on my hair, and it still has like that same smell. So this is what it looks like. It's not really, it's shaky but not much. It has like a thicker type of shape. It is black. So when your mom did your hair, or if you got your hair done with this, it leaves like little black residue around your hair. I think, as I can remember it, this does flake a lot when I used to get my hair done with this, like when I used to get my hair done in those ponytails or whatever, this stuff flaked like crazy. I don't know why I got it now. I think I was trying to do something and I'm like, well, my mom used to use it, so let me see if it works. So that's probably why I have it. I don't remember using it. I think when my friend came over, she used some of it, so that's why some of it is used, but I did buy this and was gonna use it. So this says that it is vegan, non-flaky, lies. It has a sheen, a hard hold, and protective. It does has a sheen. I'm not sure if it is vegan. It says alcohol free. I don't remember. I think it is alcohol free because I remember like after I got my hair permed, my mom put this on my head and it didn't burn. Flake, that's a lie. It flakes like crazy, but yeah. So net edge booster. So I was told that they have like a water one that's like a water activated. I think that was told when they mentioned this. This stuff don't work on my hair. I got the strawberry scent. It smells like strawberries, a really strong strawberries, but this doesn't work on my hair. Maybe if I was getting it put in a ponytail or something like that, but honey, it does not work on my hair, not on 4C hair. I have seen videos on YouTube of girls using this and it worked on their hair, but they didn't have, excuse me, they didn't have 4C hair, or maybe they had 4C hair and they put it on for the YouTube video, and after a while no, I tried to braid my hair using this, and honey, it's just so, it's shaky too also. This doesn't work that well on my hair. I don't know, but I keep it because ponytails. So, ooh. People love this stuff. And sometimes I do love it. I have like a love-hate relationship with this, but this Eco Style Gel, baby, she don't work on 4C hair. Like, I don't know what people be saying, like she don't work on my hair. This is my second container of it. Oh, the other one's in the bathroom. Because when I do wear weaves, it works for weaves. When I try to do my edges for my weaves, yeah. Edges for my real hair, no baby, no. She's slicking down that weave because that weave is not 4C hair, that weave is Caucasian hair. And it says, apply to dry or wet hair, works desired amount through hair. So, I don't know. This is the go-to for people, just not the go-to for 4C hair. Sorry, it just doesn't work for me. I do like it, like I said, when I wear my weave and I try to slick down my edges on my weave, then yeah, but my real hair, no. So, this. Shine Jam. Now, if you get braids, and if you're a girl that frequently do braids, Shine Jam is the shit for doing braids. Oh my god. It says this is the extra hold conditioner gel. Now it has like, I used a lot of this because I just bought this too. Did I? No, I had this for a while because I've done a lot of braids. I use this to braid my hair, and honey, if you want your hair to have like that hold, especially when you're getting braids and stuff like that, this is the shit. For edges, no baby. For edges, this is curling right up. Like, I don't understand. Like, you'll get my braids together, but you won't get my edges together. Like, I don't understand what's going on. Yeah, this is awesome for braiding hair. Like I said, I used it for braiding my hair and to get those parts it just right. Like, if you parting your hair, this and a fine tooth comb, they working together. They work. Oh, ice machine. These two together work some magic, hunty. Like braids, whatever. Like if you just want a nice part on the side of your head before a ponytail, these. But edges, no ma'am, no. I like it though, cause I'm keeping my hair in some braids lately. Gorillaz knot. This is the extra hold one. This has like on the meter right here, it has 10. Now, this does hold. I'm not even gonna lie. This is Gorillaz knot, and on the picture of it, it's like function. So the person on the bottle has like a little spike hair. This does hold. Baby, does this hold? This hold your life together. Like you can use this shit to patch up a bolt. It holds, but it flakes. It leaves like this like orange yellow, because I used this the other day, and then before I did my edges today, it had like yellow like flakes, like just yellow, because it's like orange, yellow orange. It leaves like yellow orange flakes all in your head. Now if I was doing a ponytail or something like that, I would definitely slap these on my edges and on my hair. But for braids, no, because the residue get like all caught up in the braids like it did me. This is great. That's why it's like, okay, I'm gonna have the numbers on here on which number this is, because I cannot remember which. Let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is why this is number 8 for a hold, because it does hold amazing. It just leaves like this yellow residue, flaky, whatever, but the hold for this is amazing. I would definitely recommend it for something quick, but you know, for if you want to, like, don't use it on braids. Don't use it on braids, twists, none of that. No protective style. Do not use this, because you will regret it. So that was 8. Number 9 is Murray Edge Red. No, not this one. Sorry, I have 2 of them. So number 9 would be the Murray's Edge West. So this is what it looks like. But the reason why I just had another one, because I have this one too. This one is my favorite. The Extreme Hold. See, with this one, it has like, it's white. Both of them are white, but this one is more soft. Like my hand is all in that. I used this one because my cousin was like, oh my God, get the Murray's Edge Control. This works. And I was putting it on my head, and my hair was like, no, what are you doing? Like, no. And I was like, but they said it works, so what's going on? It do work, but it doesn't work for a long period of time. This would not be something that I would put on my head and a long period of times, and this was something I'm definitely not putting on my head to go outside in the heat, because baby, she sweats. She sweats. She don't flake, because it says no flaking. She don't flake, but she sweats a lot. And it says non-sticky feel. That's a lie. I just had to, it's sticky as a motherfucker. This one with the Extreme Hold, baby. And this one too, together. So this has got to be, and I have the yellow one too down here. So I have 2, like, just like it's a yellow and a black of this Murray's, it's a yellow and a black of these got to be. Now this one I would use for wigs. I put this down for my wigs when I'm putting my wigs on and stuff like that. This holds, but it's white, so it takes long to dry. This hold, but it is clear. Baby, these 2 together, y'all don't see my edges? Whoever made these 2 are bomb. Like, you probably use this, and this one is much thicker. Like, I had to then there scrape it out. I'm gonna insert the clip because I did my edges and I recorded it, but I'm gonna just record a whole nother video for that later. But so I got a clip of me doing my edges, which I'm gonna insert now. So the clip that you're seeing is my edges getting done, and I'm using both of these. This stuff holds like no other. This stuff is just like, I don't even know how to explain it. This is definitely my go-to for edges. It works, it's thick, it's not flaking, it held instantly. I didn't even put a scarf on when I did my makeup. I just did my edges and then they dried like that. Like that was it with these 2. With Moch Edge Control, you gotta put a scarf on because you don't want it to move and go nowhere, which I probably should have put a scarf on because it probably wouldn't be that much curly like it is now, but I love this stuff. This stuff is amazing. This would definitely be my go-to for 4C hair. If you got 4C hair, go and get this. I got it out of Walmart. I think it was $4.99. And then go get this. I also got this. I got to go for these yesterday out of Walmart together. I don't have the receipt here, but this is $4.99, and then I think this is like $4 or $5 to the store. I have like the little small bottles, which is like $1.99, but it's empty because I do definitely use that. So go get the big bottle and get these. These 2 together on my edges, they're gonna get me through the whole summer if I wear protective styles. I promise you. So yeah, that is it for edge controls. Oh no, I think I forgot one. I did. Did I show this one? I don't think so. So this is a 24-hour edge tamer. This is y'all see that? $7.99 for this. Now this has an extra mega hole, which this does. I just found this while looking for this while looking for the products for this video. I've been looking for this, and the whole time it was under my cabinet, under behind some stuff. So you can tell this is almost going. So it's clear, and this stuff is amazing. It does have an extra mega hole also. So if it was anything that I was on my edges, it would be this 24-hour edge tamer. Now I know it's a small thing for $7.99, but guys, it works. I think at other stores you can probably get it for cheaper, because I think it was $4, but then people started learning about it, so it went up. But this stuff is bomb. This, and these 3 black containers, bomb. Use these on your hair if you want them edges to lay down. They will. When you tell a kid, lay down and take a nap, baby, they laying down and going to sleep with this right here. So use this for some edges. So that would be it. If you guys know some other edge control that you think is bomb, let me know down below in the comment section. I have heard the smaller thing of edge booster, the one that's not water based, is really good, so I'm gonna try that. But this one's not that good. It's about whole power of 5. Anywho, let me know of the edge control that you like that's good for 4C hair down below in the comment section. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And that is it, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.